We are here in Elk River, Minnesota at ERX Motor Park. We do everything from the little boy races all the way up to the big toy trucks. I'm Brennan Plastead and we are part owner of the ERX Motor Park. And we are big fans of the CargoMax trailer. We selected the CargoMax because of its durability. The plastic is very nice compared to a steel trailer that rusts out and starts to flake and looks ugly. We have two CargoMaxes right now. We use them for a variety of different things. We haul bobcat attachments around, boulders, dirt, signage, fencing, all kinds of different stuff. They're great for everything. We've had these CargoMaxes around here since the beginning. The one you see here is over 9 years old, and we have a race coming up and we're using it to haul all of these signs down to the track. This thing is strong, durable. It's never let me down yet. Many people use this piece of equipment and not everybody takes care of it. It still holds up day to day here at our racetrack. We do a lot of other things around here with the CargoMax. We work with a lot of big, heavy equipment, and it really puts it to the test when we work with those two pieces of equipment side by side. This is a really rugged and rough environment. These trailers last a very long time. It's a true testament on how well built and strong these trailers really are. If someone asked me what utility trailer to buy, hands down, I would tell them the CargoMax.